That's a lot from you. I already feel proud to have you as my friend. Anyway, my office.
Anyway, and of course, anyway, my office hours are.
Anyway, my office hours are running on.
I've got-
I've got to head back to my bullpen.
Bullpen.
Yeah, sure. Won't hold you back there. Let's hang out another time then, shall we?
Sounds great. We'll grab a coffee later.
A coffee.
A coffee
A
later.
coffee later.
A coffee later.
We'll grab. Okay, listen to me. Sounds great.
Sounds great.
We'll grab a coffee later.
We'll grab a coffee later. But to be frank, you should really
Break a leg sometime.
break a leg sometimes.
Excellent, excellent.
It doesn't kill you to bump off.
Kill. It doesn't kill you.
It doesn't kill you
To bump off.
corporate life every now and then. Don't you think so?
Excellent.
Can't argue with that. On the buddy. See you later.
I love you.
Excellent, excellent.
থ্যাংক ইউ
Brilliant, very good. Brilliant. এইটা ছিল শুকরান জাযাকাল্লাহ আরো হবে আজকে ফার্স্ট দিন ছিল শাবাশ বুড়ি শাবাশ শাবাশ আল্লাহ বাচ্চারা খুব ধরে
থ্যাংক ইউ তারণ্য থ্যাংক ইউ সাদিয়া
নেক্সট টাইম মাশাআল্লাহ হচ্ছে ঠিক আছে